Hey guys, it's Chris, and today we're going to be looking at how to find the hot pin on your 6 or 7 pin connector. Now this is a really critical step if you're ever installing one of our towed battery charger pluses or our RVibrake Shadow. You will need to know where this pin is in order to have those operate properly. And in order to do so, all you're going to need is a voltmeter and the umbilical cord at the back of your motorhome. And just using those two items, we'll be able to find this, so let's get to it. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that our voltmeter is on and that it's set to measure for voltage. Then we need to make sure that our ground pin is properly grounded. This has to be grounded to a solid metal surface. It cannot be something painted or something textured. It's got to be something that's exposed metal. Next, we're going to take our hot probe and test each opening on the back of the umbilical cord. Now, our motorhome is off, so our pin is only going to show a little above 12 volts because we're measuring the engine battery of the motorhome. However, if our motorhome is running, we're probably going to see between 13 and 14 volts because at that point we're measuring the alternator voltage instead. So anywhere in that range, 12 to 14 volts is acceptable, but that is going to be the correct pin once we find it. All right guys, so as you can see, this is a really simple and straightforward process, but the really important thing to know is that that hot pin on that 6 or 7 pin connector is not always going to be the same. So as you can see, ours is in the center. That will not always be the case. Some of them will have it at the 2 o'clock position, others at the 10 o'clock. Really, any of those pins can be that hot pin. And so that's why this step of finding that hot pin is really, really important. You need to know exactly which one that is. So if you have any questions about finding your hot pin, installing a towed battery charger plus or an RVibrake Shadow, or really any of our other products, reach out to our customer service team. We're always happy to help. In the meantime, happy RVing.